Task 1, I'm going to show that I did the setup properly. First thing I'm going to show you is the version of OpenSSL. As you can see, it's installed. Next thing we'll do is check out the ciphers. These are the ciphers that are available to us. And finally, for task 1, we're going to do a speed test. And I won't let the whole thing go, but just show you one or two. And as you can see, it is properly doing the speed test. That is task 1, so we're going to move along. As you can see here, the OpenSSL has been updated and I've created the necessary files. So I'm going to go ahead and run the command. It's going to ask me for my information. Okay. And now we can see it's generated the key and the certificate. We're going to open them up and take a quick look. Here's the generated certificate. And here's the generated key. And that concludes task 2. Welcome to task 3. First, we're going to generate the public and private key pair for the client. Now we're going to generate a certificate signing request. And it's going to take in my information. Okay. The last part of task 3, we are going to issue the certificate. And there you have it. It has been issued. Additionally, to show that the certificate worked, we're going to show it in text format. In my task 3 video, you might have noticed that I had actually set the certificate to an existing website, so a website that was real. So I've since gone back for task 4, and I redid task 3, this time with a fake URL. So I just want you to be aware of that as we proceed to task 4. For task 4, you can see that our setup is working. We've launched the server, and if we pull up Firefox, we go to the fake website. As you can see here, the connection is untrusted because it doesn't have our certificate yet. So now that the certificate has been added in Firefox settings, we can now try to go to the website. And as you can see, our certificate is now verified, so it can go there, there's just nothing there. We can also try some other URLs, and you'll see that those are not blocked either. So, I mean, we don't have a site up, so you can't really see anything, but we can see that the connection isn't blocked. So another example would be localhost. So on the Kali machine, I went ahead and I updated the host file and I put the IP address of VM1. So now we can go online and we can try to go to the website. So we can go to HTTPS, and then we can go to that fake website. And oh no, it's untrusted. We have to make it trusted. So what I did was we went ahead and imported the certificate using the scp command. Go into preferences in our browser. Okay. Advanced certificates, view certificates. And we're going to import a new one, and this is the CACRT that we just brought over to Kali. So we're going to import that, and we're going to say trust it. Okay. So now when I try to go online, and reach our website, we get there. I mean, there's no page, but as you can see, the certificate worked, and it now verified that we can at least, get to the page. Yeah. And finally, for task 5, I'm just gonna cancel them pretty quickly, but just show you that I ran the speed tests. If you would like to see the full speed tests completed, take a look at the lab report. It's all there. So thank you so much for watching, and this is the end with task 5. That should do it. Bye-bye.